It is a great pleasure to meet everyone. Your Excellency, Consul of India, Durban, Mr. Logi Naidu, former Deputy Mayor of Durban, Mr. Karthik Muthusamy, the host of this today evening and great supporter of this conference, Mr. Mari Pillai, President of the Tamil Federation of South Africa, friends, relatives, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great opportunity for me to meet everyone in this evening. We are all assembled here to go further in our lifestyle, to make money, live happily and peacefully. That is the reason we travel all over the world ourselves. The Indians can be in India. India is a very powerful country, comfortable country. Everything inside of India. India has hundreds of language, hundreds of culture, hundreds of lifestyle, living together, merely an adjustment, merely to share the opportunities equally. That is our lifestyle. We don't have any problem at all. Tamils or Telugus or Hindis or Gujaratis or Punjabis or Bengalis all live together in one country, even though before British we have many countries. We assembled in one country living peacefully for the past 70 to 80 years. Before independence and after independence. You all traveled with your forefathers because of British. You traveled and settled here, your forefathers 200 years ago as a coolies. Now, our Indians are very, very good status. You see very big house with a swimming pool. We cannot see every house in India like that. I saw some of the houses, even 1 acres and 2 acres. I told in Chennai, our Tamils are in very big status. Big business, big lifestyle, big opportunities, enjoying themselves. Educated good, settled good. Even though the Indians still have a poverty line or a poor status and waiting for an opportunity. We must see the world is competitive world of 21st century. This is the century for the opportunities. Ourselves, Indians, a leader for a world. Our Indian youth is below 35 years, is 65% population of Indian population, almost 70 crores. 700 million Indian youth below 35 years. Our Indian youth should go to all over 200 countries to work as an officer or a professional or a clerk or a watchman or a attendant or a driver or a businessman or a husband or a wife, like that all over the world. Nobody can say no, because most of the countries' youth population very, very less. Our people will go to everywhere to work, to prosper their countries. Like that, our people came here, settled here to bring the South Africa as a wonderful country. This all the infrastructure, our Indian population, part of that. Enjoying the roads or building or electricity or infrastructure. All we have our own contribution, not only here in Malaysia, in Singapore, many other countries. Our people work and brought like that. Our people, wherever go, shine because of our behavior. Soft and polite and nice and aggressive to achieve the goal. This conference mainly to organize ourselves, because Tamils are an Indian community. Wherever go, we want to keep our culture intact. That is why we are constructing a temple, we are organizing a cultural program, we are bringing the music team, we are enjoying the film festival, like that, different functions. This all our entertainments and also the pleasure for to keep our culture. At the same time, our importance, very good, necessary message to us to go further through development of activities, at least to organize an economic and business conference for our community people, to know each other, to exchange each other, to exchange the visiting card. So what is some thread we will get through some other card and go further through business development or professional development. If you meet an advocate from Australia, then a South African advocate, they can meet each other and exchange the card. Then you can get some professional enquiries or assignments, you will make money. Then one, the South African doctor can get an Indian doctor and through medical tourism or telemedicine, some information to expand their professional activities. Similarly, some granite businessman can have a touch with the Indian businessman to have an understanding, go further. The lot of business opportunities are over. Opportunities are waiting for that. You can travel everywhere and collect the information. We are bringing everybody together, maximum 500 to 600 foreign delegates, and locally I don't know how many people will come. We can all assemble together and exchange each other. That is the way we organize this conference. First conference was in Chennai, second was in Dubai, third again is in Chennai. Before that we organized 2 seminars, one in Sydney, one in Kuala Lumpur. Now we brought, because of Logi Naidu came to Chennai, requested us. We thought we want to send it to the London. Everybody told that Durban have a 1 million population, mainly for Tamil population situated in Durban. Everybody shocked. Oh, outside of India, 1 million in one city. Nobody knows that information. Even I met 3 months back with the Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Singha. I told the 1 million population outside of India, only Durban. The Indian government not doing anything. You must have a direct flight between Durban to Chennai or Durban to Bombay. Immediately agreed to take up this matter, to place before the cabinet, arrange as quick as for the direct flight. By Air India or an Indigo flight or a SpiceJet or any other flight or a South African Airlines, we must have a direct flight between Chennai and Durban. I told, and also I told all the parliament members to write a letter to minister and take up this issue to the parliament. That is the way in which we are working to have a close link. I traveled for many countries. I met many Indians, but you are different. How you are different? You see, up to 1984, you don't have an opportunity to meet Indian people because of apathy government, because our passport says, except South Africa, you can visit anywhere in the world. That is the passport says my passport. Now only, because I visited this country only last February because of this conference. I never seen South Africa at all. But always I'm thinking, my brothers and sisters from South Africa used to come. You know the coastline hotel owner, Santhanaidu. Father used to come in 73, 75, Chennai to book a film stars to organize a program here. I know Santhanaidu person, father person, sister person, Santhanaidu person in the 70s, not today. Like that, your people all come to go to some other country, get an Indian visa and visiting. Similarly, Indians will come to some other country to go to South Africa, like that the situation. Now, after 1994, have an opportunity to have a mingle with each other. We are bringing this conference for your sake. You must take this message to everywhere, to bring our people together, to meet each other, to grow each other, to develop each other through business, through professional work. This conference, we are planning to bring many top VIPs. You know, Economic Forum, the World Economic Forum organized by the Davos in Switzerland. They are bringing the countries yet, organized by, even though that is also NGO, organized by this conference through governmental activities and supported by many governments and international institutions. Like that, we want to take this conference every year. This conference also, at least 10 different countries, ministers, heads of the countries will participate in this conference, including Government of India, Government of Tamil Nadu, Government of Pondicherry, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Government of Telangana, like that. Similarly, Government of Sri Lanka, Government of Singapore, Government of Malaysia, all they will send a delegation officially. Because you see, I am not a member of parliament, I am not a minister, I am not running a political party, I am not a radist, I am not a revolutionary personality. I am a simple person living in Chennai. I am an advocate and editor of the Law Journal. I am taking this cause. I see in many countries how our people is facing issues on development issues. That is the reason I am taking this. Because of my sincere work, many governments sending their representatives, many VIPs coming to this conference. Please use this opportunity and exchange your views through conference. Even though you are not coming, we'll print out that booklet, we'll circulate that booklet. You can know a lot of information through this conference. We are planning to invite our Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu. He's from Nellore, only 100 kilometers from Chennai. He used to speak very good Tamil as well as very good Telugu, very good Hindi, very good English. 4 languages, one of the expert personalities. He's also planning to come to our conference. Then Nirmala Sitaraman is from Tiruchirappalli. Now she's sitting as a defense minister. We invited her because of she's taking a new position. It will be confirmed very soon. Similarly, Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, Mr. Thambidurai, also planning to come to this conference. Apart from that, in Tamil Nadu government, we met the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu recently changed the leadership and the Chief Minister. They have a busy work in various activities. Even though Tamil Nadu Chief Minister agreed to send a 10-member delegation to participate in this program. Apart from the 10-member cultural team, they are sending to this country because yesterday I received a call from Chennai, my office. The government official visited to my office. They told 10 people will come, what type of cultural program need. Only thing the government will provide a air ticket and their fees, but local accommodation you should give through that. They give information. I told my office, don't worry, I will come to them to provide 100% from government of Tamil Nadu. Because I know you all face issues how to accommodate the people. That is why I told I will talk to the again government to sponsor 100%. The cultural team also to come in the evening. 2 things. Pondicherry Chief Minister also, Tamilian, Tamil people living more, is a union territory. He is also taken up special cost to come to this country to talk about that investment and business opportunities. This conference also will expect more ministers from Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, England, Canada, USA. US also one Rajan Krishnamurthy, the congressman from Chicago, is also coming to our conference. Like that. The industrialist businessman, you know, Indra Nooyi is from Chennai, he studied in Chennai, now CEO of the Pepsi Group in USA. Sundar Pichai studied school education, college education only in Chennai. Now he's sitting in Google as a chief. His salary is 2,000 crores of Indian rupees yearly. You calculate how much your money. 2,000 crores is earning as a CEO of the company. He's from Tamil Nadu, man, sitting there holding a Tamil Nadu passport. He's also we are trying to bring in. Like that, a lot of industries from Chennai, like the hotel owners, business magnates, professionals, like that, people are coming. You can exchange your ideas. Anybody, many people willing to put up a super specialty hospital in South Africa and also put up a medical college, engineering college, granite business, mines. Many people inquired me about this information from me. I told the company conference and discussed with people, you can take it, some of the Indian people to their local partner and run your business like that. I told them, please create use this opportunity. This 3 days conference from 9 to 6, different session, we'll have different topics. Each session have 1.5 hour session. 4 to 5 speakers will give a speech, some question and answer. That is important topic, global economic situation and opportunities. The investment and business opportunities in South Africa. Investment and business opportunities in India and Tamil Nadu and other places. There are the women development, the youth development, educational opportunities, professional education, research and development. Then telemedicine, tourism, medical tourism, hospitals, healthcare facilities, separate session. Then agricultural product, agricultural farming, many other things are in a separate session. Then after that, will be a session for the travel, tourism, films, arts and science and a separate session. The higher education, sports, how to make it a sports as a business like that, a separate session. Like that, we identified for 20 to 25 topics. We'll cut out for 18 topics. It will come within 2 weeks' time to the website. You can see we are confirming every speaker in different corner of the world. One speaker will be every session. We want to utilize the local forces also. We are expecting different people to send their nomination for the giving speeches. Then we will collect all the nominations. Then accordingly, their profile we will put it in the the four speaker like that. The India one speaker, the other countries another speaker like that. Different countries, different speakers will be there. And also we want to invite some local other community, not only Indian community, some black people, white people also to give 1 or 2% to give a speech like that. We are thinking, and also not only Tamils, Telugu, Malayalis, Hindis, Punjabis, anybody can participate. The majorly, even though Tamil population, other people also can participate and exchange views. Because when we open a masala dosa shop, only we can eat and make money, not like that. Everybody should come and eat, then only we can make money. So this economic conference, when you interact with other people also, will have some good understanding, good income. That is why we want at least 20 to 30%. You tell your other communities also to participate in this conference. Apart from that, every day evening, we will give some expert speech for the evening, half an hour, then 1 hour cultural program. After that, some networking dinner. Like that, we made our programs. The final day, we want to give an award for each country, one person, as a World Tamil for Crown Jewels, like that, an award. Ulaga Tamilan Mahamani Award, we want to give it that award for the Tamil community, and also Indian community also will give some awards. That is in final day. We try to bring our country's president, Mr. Zuma is attending similar day of our dinner program in the same venue. We are trying to bring in our campus for our dinner party for 30 minutes. Apart from that, there are many other important personalities all over this coming, and also the businessmen, industrialists, the professionals are coming. You can see this is the program of our whole African lifestyle. One Indian program, an economic program, will be a powerful conference. We want to show it to the South African citizens. Oh, Indians can organize such a conference. We have to show Tamils are tall, Tamils are pride, Indians are tall, Indians are pride. Like that, show it to the other communities through this conference. We must support and cooperate for this conference. The no differences, no nothing. We want, any request you want to say, please send an email or tell Mr. Logi Nayudu about your request. We will take certainly to positively to involve everything together in this conference. The Government of India have a separate department called Central Institute of Classical Tamil in Chennai. They are also sponsoring this conference because you see Government of India sponsoring, Government of Tamil Nadu sponsoring. Those who are sponsored, their names will come in the state. That is why we are getting a sponsorship of different agencies to support our conference. So the sponsorship is very important. Those who are sponsored, they will benefit through the information, put it in our invitation, then bag, and many things are there. We have 4 categories of delegates. One is a normal delegate, only 2,000 rand. Another is a special invitee category, so 7,000 rand. Another is a VIP business leader category, 15,000 rand. Another category is the institutional category, 20,000 rand. The simple category, one person can participate and 9 to 6 attendance, and also to get a lunch and a certificate, participation certificate. Second category is special invitee, 2 persons can participate. They can have front row seats, and also they can put a dinner program and other things, especially important. Number 3 category, the business leaders, we can call one day because they are the big CEOs, they can introduce by the stage one day. The institutional participation is for 20,000, they can distribute their brochure through conference bank to entire conference participants. Such a way, we made arrangements from India, from especially Chennai, minimum 2,000 participants, 200 participants are coming. We made arrangements from Chennai to Chennai, all facilities, airport, ticket, airport pickup and drop, local transportation, local accommodation, food, sightseeing, all together package. They are coming, they won't disturb you anyway at all from Chennai people. You have to meet and greet. That is the way we made arrangements for our Chennai people, even Singapore, Kuala Lumpur. We educated all the delegates, foreign delegates. You must come 100% equipped yourself, and also you must save to go after sickness, not go alone. All over the world threat is there. Similarly, any country have any threat, you must be very careful to switch over one place to another place. Like that we told, we will get a lot of new faces and interesting faces, opportunities. So I'm Very happy to meet you in this situation, in this occasion. My personal thanks to my good friend, Mr. Karthik Muthuswamy. From day one, they know the information. He's always asking what support I want to do. When he spoke to me in Mauritius, where he was not feeling well also, he spoke to me many times. He conducted a meeting in Cement Temple. He told, where I sent him SMS, WhatsApp message, why don't you give your guest house time to use your guest house for conduct meetings, get together another 2 months to develop our conference in good motto. He immediately, this is your place, you use any time. I will tell my caretaker, like that he told. Mr. Logi Naidu is a very respectable person in society. Wherever go, people giving a full respect to him. I see his personality. He is our reception committee chairman, and also I put in many people to different committees. Even though if you want anybody work in our committee, please tell Mr. Logi Naidu. He is our local coordinator, local chairman, everything. I am very happy, one and all. You all participate in this get together. I am very happy. Your support, your participation, your encouragement is needed. Thank you, one and all.